Hey Terry, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for talking to me the other day. I'm sorry for the delay on getting this back to you. I'm just getting my voice back, so bear with me. So we had talked about the possibility of building you a website, and I'm looking at the area of your business. And here we are on Google. And I just want to show you how important it is to have an online presence because most people nowadays are using smartphones and computers to find their service providers. And so it's very important that you're able to be found on the first page here. Um, and so 30% of people, they're going to come through this Google My Business area here. And your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section. And then the other 70% of people that make it to their website are going to find you when they do their search. So in the Willows area specifically, there's not a whole lot of competition. I have gone into the Chico market here and I found a top competitor. This is what their website looks like, Bio Clean Carpets. They have a nice looking website. They have some content. And they are using buyer intent keywords, which is really good. Um, Although they have some great pictures and they have some content, it doesn't look like they have enough content. So the rule of thumb is that your website should have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, or about 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you are trying to rank for. And in doing so and trying to rank for that, that'll get you up to the first page on Google, which is really, really important. And unfortunately, Google does not rank websites based on appearance. They use crawlers, which are little robots. They crawl the internet, indexing all the website pages, and they're looking for buyer intent keywords. And so I'll show you that in just a moment. But I want to show you this program here. So this program is called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how a website is performing. And this competitor of yours, as you can see here, has a homepage rating of an 18, but a domain rating, which is all of their pages combined, is a 0 out of 100. And so what that says is, this being your top competitor in your service areas, Google has zero trust in their website. And this is all based on something called backlinks and referring domains. And so you're going to need to have your website built around your keywords, and also to have more backlinks and referring domains than your competitor. And not all backlinks are created equal. And so what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and it drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant it is to your industry, the higher it's ranked and the higher it's going to boost you in Google. But not all backlinks are created equal. And so you want to go after the do follow backlinks, because do follow backlinks will actually share their power to help you with ranking. No follow backlinks do help, but they don't help you boost your rankings. So that's a really key element. And then your keywords. So a buyer intent keyword is going to be keywords that people are actually searching for your service and in your areas or service areas. So this is a good example. Carpet cleaners, Chico. So you want to have buyer intent keywords. Not everybody's going to know the name of TNC carpet cleaning, but they'll know the service they're looking for. So you've got to make sure that when you build your website, it's built around your buyer intent keywords. If you have a lot of keywords, but they're not relevant, you might get people to your site, but they're not actually going to help you. So you want to focus on those buyer intent keywords. And then just hopping back here one more time. So when a customer puts a search into Google, one of the first things that generally pops up are going to be ads. The second thing is this Google My Business section. So your goal, as I mentioned earlier, should be to be in the top 3. And in order to do that, you need something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, and Yellow Pages. So you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. Now, if you do the things that I've mentioned today, you can become number 1 across Google for all of your relevant keywords. So now you're probably thinking, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you, and that's completely okay because this is just free education, and apply it yourself. Or you can go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.